Let's talk about money, because I feel like there are a lot of creators making content, but a lot of creators are not making income. They're not making the bank. And a lot of creators are posting, they are growing, they are putting in the effort. But when it actually comes to earning from their content, it starts to feel inconsistent. Some months are good, some months are quiet, and a lot of them are trying to figure out, oh, how do I make stable income? And that's what this video is about. Now, if you're new here, hi, my name is Omobolaji Ajibare. I am your social media manager's favorite social media manager. I am a creator, economist, strategist, and educator. And on this channel, I break down what it actually takes to grow, position yourself, and make money as a creator or social media manager without all the noise that you see online. So let us get into this. Now, making money as a content creator in 2026 is not all about getting brand deals, but brand deals actually do pay well, I'm not gonna lie. And I think that's where a lot of people get stuck, because that's the most visible form of income that creators get. You see somebody post a collaboration and you see another person post paid partnership. So naturally you start thinking, oh, that's how I'll make my own money too. But if that's your only plan, your income will always feel unstable, because brand deals are not something that you can fully control. They come and go. So if you want to build your income properly, you need to have a smarter approach. So how do you go about these things? How do you go about building your income? First of all, you need to number one, and first of all, it's like the same thing, but actually, because I said first of all, I'm like, okay. Number one, you need to first understand what it is that you're building. Before we even start talking about your income streams, you need to understand that you're not just building content. You are building attention. You might be building a business, but you're also building attention for your business. You're building trust. You're building a relationship with the people that follow you. And that relationship is what is going to create income, not just the content itself. So if your content is not clear, if people don't understand what it is that you do, if they don't know what it is that you stand for, it becomes harder for you to turn that attention that they've given you or you already have into income, because people don't know what to come to you for. So you need to make sure that you are channeling the attention that you have to the right place. The second thing is you need to stop relying on one source of income. And this is where a lot of content creators struggles. You focus on just one brand. Right now, majority of my income comes from brand deals, but I'm also trying to move it majority, but that's not where my only source of income comes. I'm trying to do consultation, memberships, and all of that, because this is where a lot of creators struggle. They rely on one thing, usually brand deals, and that's what slows them down, and everything just slows down. But the creators that are always earning consistently are not just relying on one stream of income. They've built multiple ways to earn. I am launching I don't know if probably would have launched my self-paced course that I will be selling from time to time. I also have my Rockstar Toolkits, but my self-paced course is going to be like one of my ticket programs, and building multiple ways to earn from that self-paced course. It's not one stream of income. I will have my mentorship, but I will still have my self-paced course for anybody that wants to learn self-paced. It's not all at once, but you build it over time. I'm also building the A to Z vault of social media. So if you want to learn, you're not somebody that likes videos, you like learning pace by pace, I'm building that also. So instead of you thinking, oh, how do I get more brand deals? I need you to start thinking of, oh, how many ways can I earn from what it is that I already know? It would help you. Number three would be you need to build something that you can control. And this is one of the smartest things that you can make, or the smartest shifts that you can make as a creator. There are things that you cannot control, things like the algorithm, the platforms you're on. You can just wake up and lose your account. You cannot control brand budgets, but there are things that you can control, things like your knowledge, your ideas, your system, and that is where you should focus on as a creator, because when you build something that you can control, your income becomes more stable. And this could look like your digital product, the service you offer, a resource that you have, or something that people can pay you for directly, not through a brand, but through you as a person. Another thing I would say is think about what your audience needs from you. A lot of creators focus on what they need to post, but when it comes to income, you need to think about what your audience actually needs. What are people always asking you for? What are they struggling with? What are they trying to learn? What are they trying to achieve? Because your income comes from you solving problems. If your content is already helping people, that's like a starting point to your income. Now you can now package that help in a way that people can actually pay for, because your content is already helping a lot of people, and that's where your income is going to come from. Number 5 would be to start simple. You don't need to overcomplicate the process of making income. You don't need to have a full business setup from day one. Start with something simple, maybe a guide, a template, something that actually connects directly to what you already talk about, because the goal is not to create something that is perfect. The goal is just to start. So just start simple. Number 6 would be to build trust before you sell. A lot of creators just start selling before they've built a community and be like, oh, nobody's buying from me. People don't just pay people or spend money because you offer something. They pay because they trust you, because they've learned from you, because they've seen that you're consistent, because they believe and they understand what you're actually talking about. So your content still matters to them, not just for growth, but for building over time. So they'll be like, oh, if this person can give out so much free information, now imagine what they will have in their paid product. That's why people buy from me. I wanted to say paid. Next, number 7 would be make your work visible. Sometimes the issue is not that you are not doing enough, it's that people don't see it. You are learning, you are improving, you are getting results, but then you are not showing it. Brag about it. And if people don't see what it is that you are capable of, they won't think to pay you. So you need to make your work visible. You need to talk about what it is that you're doing. You need to share your process, share the results, so that people can actually connect the dots and buy from you. Another thing I would tell you to do is think long term, not just think of quick money. This is where you start thinking like a business owner, somebody that is not just someone that wants to be a CEO. Quick money is fine. Trust me, it's always very fine. But if that's your only focus, you will keep chasing. What you want is something that grows over time, something that when you build it, it is easier for you to maintain, something that builds on itself, and that's how your income becomes more stable. Number 9 would be to improve your skill, not just your content. Content gets attention, but your skill is what is going to build your income. I created so many content about, not contents, I didn't say contents, content. There's no S in content. That thing pisses me off when people say contents. Okay, back to what we were saying. I remember when I was posting a lot about social media management, it was getting attention, but if I did not have the skill, if I just copied from somewhere when I was posting about it and I did not have that skill to back it up, I won't be able to teach it. So you need to have that skill, and that's what will build your income. If you can create content and also understand the strategy, the positioning, the communication, the problem solving, you become more valuable. And the more valuable you are, the easier it is for you to earn. So be consistent and get those skills. Now, I'll also tell you, be patient with the process. The money will not come immediately. Building your income takes time. You might try something immediately and it doesn't work. But that doesn't mean it won't work eventually. It just means that you need to adjust. You need to refine it. You need to try again, because consistency in your approach just matters as much as consistency in your content. So if you are trying to monetize your content, you're trying to build income, trying to build for longevity. I wanted to say longevity. I always say longevity. You people can tell I'm very unserious. The way I pause and I talk about something, I'm talking about something seriously, and then I pause and I'm like, and I don't cut that part out. Yeah, you just. So if you're trying to build for longevity, you need to think about being consistent in your approach. So always talk about your offers, always talk about your services, always talk about what it is that you're selling from time to time. So this is where I'm going to land, and I'm going to leave you with this. The smart way that I feel like you should build income as a creator is not about doing everything at once. It's about building step by step. Understand what it is that you're offering, who it is that you're helping, and start creating ways for people to pay you directly, and doing it in a way that you can sustain it, not that you would burn out. Because at the end of the day, content is just the starting point. What you build around the content is what creates your income. Now, if this video has helped you, I want you to tell me in the comments. I always like to hear from you guys. What's one way you're currently trying to make money from your content? Who knows? I might be able to help. Trust me, I have experience in that. And if you're not subscribed, why? Why exactly are you not subscribed? Don't forget, my name is Omobolaji Ajibare. I am your social media manager's favorite social media manager, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.